Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to add a Pinterest profile description. So you want to navigate to your Pinterest profile and then you want to click on Edit Profile. So scrolling down, you should see an About section, and this is where you're going to add your description. So you can see I've got one here already. But if you're like a blog or business, this is where you want to add in a few keywords that you want to be found for. So this will help you get found in Pinterest search by people searching for the content that you produce. I'll show you a few ways to do this. So open up another Pinterest page and head to your home feed. So a few ways to get keywords is by looking at some of your closest competitors. So when you see a pin that is closely related to what you do, you can click on that, scroll down and then click on their profile, and then you can have a look at their description. So see what keywords they've got in there. So saving money, frugal living, money saving ideas, making money, entrepreneurship, work from home jobs, side hustles. So these are all keywords I'm going to add into my description, and I have. So another way you can do that, so head back to your home feed and you can use like the Pinterest search bar. So add in any one of your keywords. So I might put something in like side hustles, and then Pinterest will auto complete side hustles for you, a lot of times showing you a lot of keywords that people are searching for in your niche. So you can add a lot of these to your description, but be aware that you only get a certain amount of words for your descriptions. You can't put every single keyword in there, but make sure you get the main ones in there that you want your blog or business to be found for. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.